Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mango app weekly on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Mango app and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your